Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something groundbreaking for website owners and digital marketers. A brand new tool that claims to unlock Google's secret ranking algorithms. Stay tuned as we explore this app, its features, and whether it's truly as revolutionary as it sounds. Now, this app, called RankNinja, promises to force Google to rank any website higher by tapping into more than 14,000 hidden API ranking points. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, let's break it down. First up, RankNinja claims to give you access to Google's ranking parameters that are typically kept secret. With this, they say you can rank any website without needing complex SEO strategies or hiring expensive professionals. Imagine that! A tool that automates the entire ranking process. Now, if you're wondering, how does it work? The app is marketed as newbie-friendly, requiring zero tech skills. You just log in, unlock the parameters, and voila! Your website is supposed to climb up the ranks without the traditional SEO hassle. The coolest part? The app says it offers this all for a one-time price. No recurring fees, no monthly subscriptions. That's definitely appealing if you're looking to save on constant SEO costs. And if you're one of the first 18 action takers, there's also an exclusive commercial license to offer these ranking services globally. That could open up some major opportunities for freelancers and digital marketers. However, there's a catch. While it's all about unlocking Google's secret sauce, this technology is still fairly new, and there's skepticism in the SEO community. Will it actually live up to the hype? The leak of the Google API documentation in May 2024 was groundbreaking. But will this app make sense of it? I haven't seen too many apps that claim to force Google to rank sites like RankNinja does, and it's definitely an ambitious claim. But if this app can really tap into these 14,000 ranking points, it might just be worth a try, especially for those who are tired of paying for SEO consultants. So, is RankNinja the future of website ranking? For now, it looks promising, but as with all new technology, only time will tell if it lives up to its bold promises. If you're interested, the low one-time price and money-back guarantee could make it worth exploring. Plus, with such an easy-to-use setup, it's perfect for beginners. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in learning more about RankNinja, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Catch you in the next video. Brothers.